Good morning. It is 8:25. I have a beautiful day today. Maybe we'll do a little more gardening. I don't know. I've been working on my December page, and I did some changes for some of the days that I had because I will not be doing a lot of gardening. And things that I implement on this is like something that did the last for November is the house project. So what I'm doing is, let me show you here because I have my mess. I have these projects for the house that some of them are more advanced than others. Let me get my other plan. This is my house management planner. I think I showed before many years ago. Anyway, in one of the parts I have also the Christmas area, I have gift areas, projects. So in projects, as you can see, this is one of the projects that we work this summer. That is the backyard. I get the inspiration of what is planning to be or do, and right now I cannot do anything else. This is what it was planned, how I wanted to go with the pergola. We got all the bricks like I wanted, and it's like trying to find ideas. First, this was the idea of having the pergola, but then we decided that we want a little more full, because in the winter maybe we can do barbecues under the pergola. We were looking for different kind of floor, and we finished going for the gray style. We were trying to get kind of like the Italian style. And the pots that we got, very similar. I didn't put this kind of greens yet. I will buy more pots. I need to buy the bigger one, but like I say, the pergola took so long to get done. This is the bathroom. As you can see, is the wallpaper that we use and the colors that we have on the walls. In that way I can continue part of the work that I need to keep doing. This is the bedroom, the colors that we went, what we were matching, the bed that we got, and the lamp tables. We still need to get some, maybe like that. It's still in progress. The front yard, all what it was in the beginning. Can you believe that this is all that it was? I have the measures and everything, and of course I still working. I need to figure out the kitchen work that we have done, the colors that we are looking at. Maybe will be for the part where we have the table. This is what I use for the curtains, and there is little plants that like I'm working on my living room. Let me find one about the living room if I need it. I have bathrooms. Yeah, I do more than one. Then did I run out of the living room one? I have to do one. I'll have to do the plan for that. It helps a lot in a lot of things. And then I have here my walk-in closet, that it was the colors that I used, some other colors that I used to test and everything. So now I took my living room one, part of what I will be doing the project. I got this swatch and I want to put in the wall and see what is the gray that I really want to use. Yeah, so I made the little cuts there. This is a new from Home Depot, but it's more like anything. I don't know if I will use even this brand. Maybe I will go for Sherwin-Williams, I don't know, but I'm just looking for the color. If I find the color that I want, then I will decide what brand I will use. So this is a project that I'm working there. And yeah, we were on this. The other thing that I changed, let me remember, aquarium cleaning that I didn't have before. I have the clean desktop. I clean one part of the desktop every week, so it's not like insane. Hot spots mean like these little corners that you have. Some corners sometimes it's hard to reach with the sweeping or something, so every week I will try to find one hot spot where it needs really good cleaning. And do I have one more? I think it was that. I think is that all that I changed. So those were the changes that I did. I will just do the part here where, like, this is on this month. I try to put like the books that I'm reading. I finished actually 2 more books. If I have any picture of holidays or something, maybe it will come my Thanksgiving, and some different kind of things, you know. I like to add every month to what is going on. I need to put a picture of one of the blouses that I finish there. So far that is going on. I was working on my nails when I received this package. I'm gonna do like an unboxing like I do usually on this. It's the So Hairy game. I will just show you here. I'm gonna clean a little. Let me clean a little so it's not so bad. 1 second. Okay, not the best setup, but here we have. This is the So Hairy Jane box, and it's really like a subscription box. I get the classic one, that in dollars finished being almost like $70. I know it's a little expensive, but usually have very nice fabrics. I don't know, I kind of by accident saw a little sneaky, and I don't think that will be my favorite one. I can be wrong. It comes a little open, and I think I was not wrong. Okay, so it's kind of came a little crazy here. What I got this I Love Alice, like a little notepad with some animal print and some stripes, all are the same. That's number 1. The candy this time, I got only one, is Dairy Milk Frito. Look at this. I never had these. Oh, that sounds like really good. I think it's only one for this. Okay. We also got some ribbon, I think. Oh yeah, it's a ribbon and it's like animal print. I don't know what it is. I think it's leopard. So let me... Can you see? It's an animal print. It has a little of brown, black, and white. I keep trying to roll it. So I don't know. I think it's like 2 yards, 2 meters, 2.5 meters. I'm not sure. I will read on the magazine. The fabric for this, the meter of fabric that they are giving me this time is this. Also like an animal print. I think it's like a giraffe spots. One is black and white. It's pretty soft. I think it's a viscose. Oh, it's really nice. That can be a nice blouse. 1 meter. Yeah, I can make a nice blouse of this. My thread is a very dusty pink. It's a nice color. And my fabric, like I guessed it, is an animal print. What kind of fabric is this? This is not viscose. What is this? Let me read. So for classic, we got 2.5 cotton poplin. I knew it was not viscose. Yeah, cotton poplin, and it's a light pink. I'm not sure what I will do with this one. I will have to look for some ideas It's not my favorite fabric, I will say it right now. The print is not something that I wear. I don't know how it will look at me, but I will look for something that also, if it's, I will know, waste my fabric. Also for home or work will work good for me. And this one I think is a little better. This is 1 meter of giraffe viscose. So yes, it's a giraffe print. I think I know the prints at least. In black and white, 1 meter. Then I got the Lucy Says notepad in A6. The magazine, 2 meters of the ribbon, and 1 Frito chocolate that is vegetarian, by the way. So this is my box this month. Do I feel like it's my favorite of? It's not. Awful is not. What was the theme? Roar. Well, it makes sense, the theme. It's more like animal prints and everything, and I will have to look for what I will do with this fabric. It's not ugly. It's just like I'm not used to animal prints, but this is not something that scream huge patterns or something, but I will find something. I will have something that will look good. This will go okay inside, you know, to any other project. So this is my So Hailey Jane this month. I will give 5 on a scale of 10 for this month. The last month for me was totally a 10. I love it so much. I have not done anything yet, but you know, a lot of things happens, and I'm right now worried about get things done. So this is the way that it comes for my classic, and of course the luxury box brings also the patterns, and it brings 3.5 meters of another kind of fabric. The mini box has 1.5 meters of the same pattern that we have here. They don't get the extra fabric. They get the Gutermann thread, the magazine, the ribbon, exactly the same, and that is all. Not even the thread or the pad or the notepad. So those are the options. Oops. And this is the magazine. The magazine is really nice too. Okay, let's go to keep doing cleaning. I couldn't stop thinking what I will do with these, because I don't want to waste them, you know. And I thought maybe with this meter I will do something like this. Very simple. It's a summer blouse, but it's very simple, and it kind of looks like this. I think it will look good on this one. And for this, why not? But with short sleeves, because this is a little, I don't think I have enough for the long sleeve. What I will do is do all these and see if I have enough for the long sleeves. If not, I go with the short sleeve. So those are the plans, but these are not part of my plan on this month. Just got this there. My plans for this month is work this fabric, that I think I will be doing this, and then I have this fabric that I will do like a sweater or long sleeve blouse or something. This is not. And this one, oh, these are washed already, by the way. And then this one, and I'm making my mind if I will do this, that will look kind of like this one, or like this. I have 3 yards of this one. It's so beautiful. What do you think? Maybe this, it has also the pocket. It'll be so cute. And I think I need 3 yards for this one. If I go a size L, we will say, yeah, I think I will have enough. When they say 3 1/4, sometimes it's more like 3 is enough. That's what I discovered. Okay, so I think I'm going for, oh no, the shorter one, because this is too long. The shorter one, so it's B. Oh, it's okay. I will figure it out. 3 it that would be. I'm being a little lazy today, but decided to go and walk with my little babe. He's still a little hurt. He jumped from the steps too high and kind of hurt the little leg, so the walks are short. It's a beautiful day. It's not so cold. Okay, let's do it. I wanted to finish this video in a different way than just saying thank you to everybody that left prayers and sweet comments about Heidi. My husband and me really appreciate all that. It's been really hard days. I'm getting better. I still sometimes hear noises that I relate with Heidi, and Frosty's still kind of like looking for her, and I guess he's trying to understand what is going on and where is she. It will take a little time, but we'll be good, better. Thank you so much for everything, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.